this is what my system looks like now. I have a leak right here and another leak right there. So I'm gonna change everything, mostly because I'm bored. I need something to do, so about to replace. This is staying, and everything else is gone. All right, so I already removed the screws over there, so, and I'm about to cut these. You know, honestly, there's nothing wrong with these two tanks. It's just, it doesn't look good. See, they don't look good. So I'm gonna like put a new one, a bigger one. As you can tell, I don't have a reservoir. The bigger tank is, you know, more water, not more pressure, but more water. Okay. See y'all in a minute. Also, remember, if you want a well system, to unplug this first. This is 220. It will mess you up. So far, that's what we have done. And next, this I glued last night, right? And I made a mistake. I didn't glue this part. My God. I feel so dumb, not gonna lie. It's not only this side, it's that side as well. So what happened was, I was making sure it would be straight. So I marked it, put the pipe in, and I forgot to glue it. Well, both sides. So what I'm gonna do, I don't wanna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna use my Sawzall and cut this and cut that. Right? Cut it and remove this piece. It's the only solution. Because I really don't want to add a coupling here. It's too clean. I like the clean look. See? Okay, so see y'all in a minute. I think I said Sawzall last clip, but no, this is what I meant. Not a Sawzall. A multi-tool. I'm gonna use to cut this right here. Okay. That was it. Now it's all about, you know, taking it apart. So with a flathead screwdriver, it just, you know, just should come out. Not hard. I'm not gonna lie, this side is kind of harder. All right, so glued. I hope this is not a problem. I hope we'll see. And so far we're looking good. So far. Tank is 44 gallon. Was like about 400 at Home Depot. Not much. We're looking good. All right, so I needed more elbows. I had to go to Home Depot regardless, even though I didn't want to go, but almost done. Only thing left now is the UV filter. Okay, UV is connected. Only thing left is to connect it to, you know, all together. I'm finally done with it. I started at 9 a.m. It's now 4 p.m. So for the sprinkler, I had an old ball valve. I put it here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna plug it in, plug the pump in, and flush it out. Flush the pipes before I install the filter. Let's see. Hopefully everything works. Okay, looks good. Remember, before you install these to grease the O-ring. One thing I forgot, they say when you're installing a UV filter, it's important that you don't put the PVC straight from the filter, because the UV light will degrade the pipe. So that's why I have these right here. I got them from Amazon. Okay, right now this is the moment of truth. Let's see how I did. So far, no leaks. So far, that's good. It's filling up. Good. That's an easy fix. Good here, good here, good. So, okay, we're good here. Good news. Oh, okay. Oh, I have a problem. The ballast is supposed to be inside, but I have no way to put it inside. So I'm gonna do this right here. Like this, and I'll figure something out how I'm gonna cover it, but I will cover it. So what I did, I did 2 of them. So one on top and one at the bottom. That's it. I can, like, you know, I'm done for today. Well, done officially. Thanks for watching. I lied. I kept thinking about it. You know, I'm in Florida. I was like, what if it rains tonight? That means I would have it only for 1 day and it would be messed up already. So, you know, don't be lazy. Wow. I'm obsessed.